Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 27. Lesson topic: Trees are being planted. Produced by Srafil Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Tola, vacation is approaching.
Oh, yes, we're going to leave our friends soon.
Yeah, by the way, I know a goodbye song.
We have to leave you song?
Yes, can we sing it, Hailu?
Of course, you can. Students, let's listen to Tola and Azeb singing the song. Listen.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you soon. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you soon. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go.
It's a nice song, isn't it, students? All right. Now, let's sing the song together. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you soon. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you soon. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go.
That's good, students. Let's sing it one more time again. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you soon. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you soon. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go.
Very good, students.
Hailu, last time Tola and I went to a forestry office.
To do what?
To ask how to plant a tree.
So, did you find anyone to tell you?
Yes, an expert explained for us.
That's good. Students, last time Tola and Azeb talked to a forestry expert. Let's listen to what they talked about. Listen.
Okay, Tola and Azeb. Is there anything I help you?
Yes, we want to plant trees.
That's very interesting.
So, can you tell us how to plant a tree, please?
Of course I can. First dig a hole.
Okay.
And the hole must be larger than the roots of the tree.
Okay.
Then put the roots of the tree in water. Then water the soil at the bottom of the hole.
Then
Take out the roots of the tree. And put the roots in the hole and put some soil around the roots. Then push the soil down.
Okay.
And add more soil.
Add more soil.
Yes, cover the roots totally.
Okay.
And finally, put the soil around the tree.
I see.
But don't forget to keep the soil moist.
At all times?
Yes, at all times.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Students, have you listened to the conversation? All right. The expert was telling Tola and Azeb how a tree is planted. Now, listen to Tola and Azeb telling me step by step. Listen. Tola, what is the first step to plant a tree?
First, dig a hole.
Students, what is the first step to plant a tree? Tola,
To dig a hole.
Students, what is the first step to plant a tree? Yes, first to dig a hole. Students, say first dig a hole. What is the second step, Azeb?
Put the roots of the tree in water.
Students, what is the second step? Yes, put the roots of the tree in water. Students, say, put the roots of the tree in water. All right. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb telling me the rest of the steps to plant a tree. Then you will tell your teacher in the same way. Now, listen. Tola, what do you do then?
Then take out the roots of the tree.
Azeb, then?
Then put the roots in the hole.
Then, Tola?
Then put the soil around the roots and push it down.
Okay, then, Azeb?
Then add more soil and cover the roots totally.
Yes, Tola. Finally?
Finally, put the soil around the tree.
That's good.
And we should keep the soil moist at all times.
Oh, that's right. Thank you, Tola and Azeb. Students, now do the same. Tell your teacher how to plant a tree step by step. Teacher, please ask your students one by one to tell you how a tree is planted. Have one student to tell you the first step, then another student the second step, the third student the third step. Continue in the same way until they tell you the final step. Please follow your radio guide. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you soon. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you soon. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you soon. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time for us to go.
That's good, students.
Look, Azib, look over there.
Trees are being planted.
Pardon?
Trees are being planted.
You mean people are planting trees?
Yes, I told you in the passive voice.
How can it be formed?
Oh, let me tell you that. Let me tell students too. Students, have you noticed the passive form that as if formed? All right. You know, the present continuous events can also be turned into the passive form. For example,
People are planting trees.
can be formed as
Trees are being planted.
Trees are planted or being planted.
being planted. You know, being is added when continuous tense are said in the passive form. So, in the present continuous form, it's trees are being planted, but not trees are planted.
I want to practice that.
That's good. Now, when I say present continuous event, you turn it into passive form.
Okay.
First, Tola. People are buying things.
Things are being bought.
That's right. Now, Azeb. People are selling goods.
Goods are being sold.
Right. Now, Tola. People are driving cars.
Cars are being driven.
That's correct. Now, Azeb. People are washing clothes.
Clothes are being washed.
Very good. Now, Tola. Students are learning English.
English is being learned.
Right. Now, Azeb. Students are reading books.
Books are being read.
That's very good, Tola and Azeb. Students, now doing the same way. When your teacher gives you a present continuous statement, you turn it into its passive form. Teacher, please give your students one by one a present continuous statement in active voice and ask them to change it into passive form. Do the activity with as many students as you have time for. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Very good, students. Now it's time for us to go.
Yes, it's time to go.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 27, written and produced by Srafel Zode. Join us again next week in program 28. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.